All right, let's go. Oh, I see a walker and stuff. Yeah, starting to sprinkle the rain a little bit. I don't know if they're putting it up or.
No.
Are y'all putting it up or? Oh, okay.
Maybe we won't get much rain, I hope.
I looked on the radar and I didn't see anything close to us.
I thought it was supposed to be late this afternoon.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
We're showing a lot in Clarksville right now, but it's kind of moving up northeast.
Look around. Take it off.
You sound like us.
You need some help?
These are $4 each.
Okay, did you need some help with that? I thought you. All right.
Those were cute. All kinds of doorknobs there.
Yeah.
Tasting.
Have you ever heard about that hospital foundation thing? No, neither. That's a good idea. She said, you probably know, but I just wanted to tell you. No, I didn't know about it.
Be there.
Off the cancer patients. People that don't have insurance.
I'm taking it you were in the Marines. Were you in the Marines? So, no. Actually, I didn't pass the physical, so it was back during the draft, Vietnam.
Cute.
But I went to Nashville and everything, just didn't pass the physical.
There to put something back on there?
No, I thought you did. It was up there.
Oh.
Well, I guess it was.
That. Where's the train set?
Train coming.
The craft stuff.
You feeling all right?
Those are $8 when I took a closer look at them. This is a lot of craft stuff.
You've been getting a lot in that price range and not selling them yet.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Harley Davidson. Oh my word. $60. These caps look here. Let me see these caps. Let's see. I think we're going to pick this up too. Ooh. Everything is here.
I'm a retired cook.
I believe it. I see this. You have some fairly old books. Oh, this is from Cookville, huh? Tennessee Bible College. That's interesting. I never knew they had one.
Those ones like that are really good.
I'm going to have to educate myself on this jewelry. Some of that was probably worth the pickup. I'm just not that familiar with it. But I'm definitely going to be educating myself on that because I think that there's some good finds there. Yeah, they said it's supposed to get rough tonight, though.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're
Yeah, I know. Scary. We just had our roof fixed from those storms in March.
Wow. You look good for 90.
Oh, only
You had to
10
have a
years
whole
to
new
go
roof
for the
put on.
big 100, huh?
Yeah. My mom was 91 when she passed away. It was last November.
That's interesting.
But
We were blessed
she,
all our parents. Mine
yeah.
and his, all his were 90.
she lived a good life.
Huh?
That must be handsome. Really seems like the younger ones are going more than the older ones.
Yeah, it does anymore, doesn't it?
Now, when I look at you, I never would have guessed you're almost 90. So you did good.
Oh, wow. You do. You look amazing.
Well, that could be really bad.
His mother was 91, and she waited tables till she was 66. And then after that, she done the flea market in Rickman till she was 86.
Wow.
For 20 years, she done that flea market up there.
Yeah, after retiring.
And she cooked every Tuesday night for all of the kids and all of the grandkids. Well, he's an only child, but she done that until, what, about the last 4 or 5 years she lived?
Yeah.
Yeah. Every Tuesday. Well, I know she done it a good 30 years. She'd get in there and cook up a big old meal every Tuesday afternoon.
That's like my sister sounds like her. She go back to the old scratch meals.
I
And I
think you
don't
just
do
need to
that.
hold that.
That's what she wants. She wants
I saw that.
Top pinto beans. She's in the nursing home. I have to fix her a meal every week. Or I do, I don't have to.
How long did
I tell you, though, there's nothing better than fried potatoes in an iron skillet.
I know. That's right.
And cornbread.
I saw the baby girl on Facebook years ago. She said she wanted to know if I still use iron skillets.
Oh, I do.
Prove something to her husband. And I sent her a note. I said, "You're the basic cornbread. Why not do it? I put mine in the oven. I brown it on the bottom and then I take it, clean it out. You're right.
No, but I tell you, I have a confection oven, but what I've always done is that I'll put it in the I'll put my skillet in the oven, let it get real good and hot before I pour my cornmeal in there and put it in there. And man, that bottom is just as crunchy. I love it like that.
And kids just come over.
I've actually
they
won
love,
some
they love my mom's
contest at it, the
macaroni and
fair
cheese
for my
recipe.
cornbread and biscuits. Yeah.
Use 3 different
Blue
kinds of
ribbons,
cheese.
yeah.
Put carnation milk
Thanks
in
to
it.
Miss Patton out at
And it made it
junior
real
high
rich
school,
and
my
creamy,
home ec
but it
teacher.
still wasn't thin. You know?
I remember my grandma making real good macaroni and cheese.
Yeah. It's unusual.
Well, y'all have a good day.
You ready?
Thank you. You too.
Yeah. Cypress Gardens. Oh, I've been there. Oh, it's just Sandy on it though.
Huh?
Well, we've been there, Cypress Gardens.
Yeah.
If it didn't have,
Well, maybe a Sandy
Sandy
would
on it.
want it somewhere.
well, there could be a Sandy around. So. That's
But
pretty
what if
cool.
somebody on eBay looks at it and her name's Sandy? She goes, "Oh, there's a cup with my name on it."
Yeah, it could be.
How much is it?
It's only a dime, but it's It's cheaper.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you wanted it or not.
Yeah. Chip kind of throws it off.
I seen Kip is good knives over here.
Yeah.
Don't blame him. Don't blame him a bit. It's unusual that's tiles like that. I don't see stuff like that.
I know. That's old.
It's gotta be.
5.
Did you have my stuff?
Yeah, this is all right here.
Okay, I'm gonna get this too. So
What's that, a dime?
it's 25.
25. Okay.
Yeah. You guys got your prices down so low, I can't resist buying some.
I know. You got some pretty stuff.
That's a cutter if you need one. That's a cutter.
Yeah. A lot of craft stuff.
Yeah.
What are you?
535.
Your shirt says
35.
exactly what I like to
What
be
was,
doing.
what
I
was
know.
We were just talking about a trip maybe we were going to take
What did I
to California
get?
this fall with our
I didn't-
kids.
you
got that
you got that.
lidded,
Okay, she got. I know what you got now. Sorry, I was wondering what.
Have you ever been there?
Seaside? Is that down around Destin?
Yes.
Yes, Destin and Panama City and Santa Rosa. That's their favorite places to go.
My daughter
Yeah.
lives in Santa Rosa.
Oh, we love Santa Rosa. You know, the last time we were down there, though, it
It
rained.
rained all week.
I think they said that it was 8 or 9 inches or something. I had to drive him back across the bay over to Freeport or somewhere
Freeport, yeah.
to play
Yeah.
golf
Yeah.
because all of the
Go all
golf
the way up
courses in
there.
Santa Rosa and Destin and Panama City were closed.
Everything
There
along
was
the
a
beach.
tornado warning one morning. The second morning we were there, all of our phones go off.
Oh my
And I'm like,
goodness.
that happens in Tennessee, not in Florida.
I'm sorry, it's all done unless you got some change.
Yeah. But we, it was raining so much, and that Wednesday morning I got up and I said, there's a 5-hour window here. If you're going to play golf, you better go. We better find you a
no
golf
kidding.
course.
We made a quick trip up there, and I got to play without getting rained on. So I was lucky because boy, there was water standing everywhere. There.
I
Yeah,
bet.
yeah.
I bet. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
I'm kind of surprised that they actually even opened.
65.
They probably got a lot of business because everybody else was closed.
Yeah, I bet so too.
All the courses along the beach were closed.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why we had to
Well,
go so
lucky
far
your
inland.
daughter. Does she live right on the beach?
She lives right on 38.
30. Oh my God.
Yeah.
My favorite place to be, 38.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I hope y'all have a good sale. Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you.
Oh, that's cute.
It is.
Stuff there.
Still trying to rain just a
Man,
little.
look
I
at these
think
houses.
we might not get a heavy rain for a while.
No, let's get in there. Let's get in the hatch and put it in our bags and see exactly what we got here. All right.
They're
look at all the pretty
really,
flowers.
really nice Harley
Yeah,
jacket. That's $50.
I know. I seen that. Okay. Here, I'm gonna let you do this while I show everybody what we got. Oop! Careful. All right. So, can you see everything okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is that really cool dish that you got. Well, she wrapped it up really nice for us, didn't she?
That's big.
Okay.
That's Longaburger.
Yeah. And then this was only a dime. Back up a little bit. I don't want you that close to me.
25 cents. 25 cents.
All right. And then
That was a dime. I couldn't believe that.
this is a dime.
Yes.
Wow.
See that? Something. There we go. Right.
Okay. Back up a little bit. All right. So I'm going to put this in here like this.
Mhm.
Where's your little? Okay, this right here is
Yeah, this is.
this had some beautiful comps on it. This is Linux. And I checked it over. I didn't see anything. So I was excited about that one. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to put this in our little bag to keep it from rolling around everywhere. All right.
And then the last little piece wasn't wrapped. That's probably what you're doing, rattle.
Okay. I'm gonna put it in here and move the blankets around by it though. Okay. I think we're good. What do you think?
I think so.
All right. Now stop the film. Okay.
No, I didn't stop it. Oops.
Thanks so much for watching today. We would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share us out. And be sure and check back in the next couple of days because we are trying to drop about 3 videos a week now. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless.